Today we show you the Webasto SmartControl, MultiControl and the UniControl.
The MultiControl is available in different variants, depending on the market segment. The SmartControl provides the same functionality as the MultiControl, except for the timer function.
When you order the product, you get the MultiControl or SmartControl, a small bag with adhesive strips to mount it, and technical documentation in several languages. Additionally, you can order a holding frame. After we connected the heater and the control element, and we set the right heater, you can see in the display we have 4 options: heating, the timer functions, ventilation and settings. We start with the heating functions. You can set the duration of the heating time, and the heater will start and run for 30 minutes. The heater is on. In heating mode, the LED will turn green. Second option in the menu is ventilation. The LED will turn blue. When you turn it off again, we have the possibility to go to the timer function. The fourth option is the settings. Quick start, choose your weekday, the time, language, units, the brightness of the display, screen timeout, day and night. Here you can set the brightness of the display depending on time. Some system information like software and hardware, error information and the reset. And we're back in the main menu. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.